Set it off were bus fares in Sao Paulo. What made it really explode was abusive use of force by the Sao Paulo police against the protesters. But that led to a pouring out of grievances, mostly for better public service, bus fares or bus systems, transportation, schools, health, uh, less corruption, and all this wrapped around one theme, which is you politicians are no longer speaking on our behalf. We can organize now independent and outside of political parties because we have cell phones and we have social media, and we are going to stay out in the streets until you start working and responding to our demands for better and more of everything. Brazil has experienced in the last 10 years the inclusion of 40 million people in the middle class. This is basically a middle class protest of people that kind of have seen what prosperity with some equity can do to a country like Brazil, 200 million people, very unequal nation historically, and they in as the economy has slowed down in the past 2.5 years and inflation started coming up again, they are saying now that no, we have to get where we were going, which is this more prosperous country with more shared growth, and we demand that you politicians respond to our demands. This is not a protest against the president, against a governor, against a mayor. This is a protest, a cry for a better representative democracy. In this sense, I think the energy coming out of the streets is very, very positive.